In this video, I'm going to show you how to create NovaTrade Plus account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, so the new DEX. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link and using my referral code, you'll get a 20% cashback on all trading fees while trading meme coins on Nova Plus. Okay, so again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually go ahead and create an account, click on the select wallet over here. And then you have to select one of your wallets on Solana with which you want to continue and create your account with. I'm going to go ahead and use my Phantom wallet over here and then click on the connect wallet button. It's going to basically show the pop-up of your wallet here on the right hand side, and then you want to click on confirm. And then you also have to sign the message, and then whenever you do this, you may be prompted to actually put in the referral code as well. So if you want a 20% cashback, just type in this code, which is IHT, and then after you do that, just go ahead and close it, and you can start using the Nova Plus DEX over here, and you've created your new account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.